All right, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to move content from your iPad to the, or how to use a iPad, a school-assigned iPad to use it as a documenting tool. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to navigate to Google Drive. I have no idea how you have your iPads organized, but I have my Google Drive here. So once you get to Google Drive, you can have this kind of set up so that way students are able to do this pretty easily. What you're going to do is you're going to go navigate to your folder. So if I was going to collect evidence, one way you could insert content, and I don't see my folder here, so I'm just going to reload it by pulling down from the top and just pressing refresh and scrolling. There it is, Mr. Smith's grade 3 class. So there's my grade 3 class and there's my students in it. So let's say you wanted to record something for Ava. What I would do is I'd go into Ada's folder that I've shared with Ada. Ada has access to, and I'll click the plus sign, and I can use the camera to capture some evidence. So I can walk over to her desk and take a picture of something that she is working on at her desk. I click the camera and take the camera and click use photo. Sorry if my screen wasn't displaying for that, but sometimes the camera doesn't work as well as you want it to. So it uploads that image to the camera or from the camera to the iPad, and it's uploaded. You can duplicate that process with a video. You just select the video mode and you make a recording of the student work. Once you made the recording, so I'll make a recording here. Here's a recording of my lunch. It's going to be a delicious lunch. It was a delicious lunch, and now it is an empty lunch. What a delicious lunch it was. Again, click use video and upload that to the device. Or sorry, upload that to the student folder. If you want to upload something that's already on the iPad, so you can click upload. You can go to photos and videos, and you can select something that's already been captured on the iPad. So I can go to videos, and let's say they have a fantastic video that you want to utilize. So I can go to this, I'm just trying to find a clip there, I click upload, and so those are being uploaded to my account. So that's basically the adding things to a student portfolio side of things. So what I'm going to do is while these upload, I'm going to let that be. I'm going to stop sharing my screen here with you, and I'm going to go over what things are going to look like on the Google Drive side, because I think that's going to be an important thing to show next. I hope my iPad hasn't crashed here because it's looking like it's stalling out on me. There we go, screen monitoring. I'll just unshare that with you. Fantastic. Okay. So I think I'm actually fighting myself. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is in Ada's folder, what I'm going to see is in Google Drive, I'm going to see the files that have been uploaded. So there's the two images, or there's the one image that was uploaded, and we're still waiting for the videos to upload. And that is kind of a timely process, so you will have to wait sometimes and have students to be patient when they're doing that. Now let's say, for example, I want a copy of this image in my other folder. So I have that folder of mine over here that's teacher. And I'd actually like a copy of this file right here in my teacher folder. What you need to do on the keyboard is you press the shift key, you hold it down, and you push Z. And what this does is it adds a duplicate copy of this, or a link or an alias of that file in a duplicate place. So it actually exists in two places simultaneously. So I then navigate to where that folder is. There's my grade 3 class. Click the arrow. I go to Ada. And I'm going to make a second copy over here in my teacher folder, and I add that there. So now this file exists in two places at once. It exists here in Ada's folder. It also exists over here for me as a teacher, and I have a copy of that, or a link of that is a better way to say it than a copy. You can see now in Ada's folder, her one video has uploaded of her work, and the second video is being uploaded. So how to use this I think that's mainly what I talk about. The next thing we're going to talk about, the last part, is we'll talk about how to add these files to a portfolio. And once these files have been added to portfolio, how students can provide anecdotal comments on it, or provide comments on it, and how you as a teacher can provide feedback. I hope this video has been helpful. The main key to remember, and I'll just go back to our graphic now is that to have a duplicate file or an alias of the file exist in two places at once is to use Shift Z, and that is your key. So you're going to hold down the Shift key and type a Z. This isn't something that's possible on iPads, or if you know the way, please email me and let me know. But on a computer, you use Shift Z so that you can make a duplicate copy in two places. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll have one more video for you to how to use all this media now in a presentation. Take care.